Yo, if you say it's on sight, then do it then. How many got new drip gang? Ruin it. Why do you always gamble their life? I don't know for them guys. Talk tough and not doing it. Dots put two in it. Sweets keep chewing it. Jakes to the right, don't ruin this draw. If you play in the field, better stay with it still. Ain't safe in the field when them mates get killed. You ain't outside, what's that? In a ride, you ain't got no caps. But capping your raps, it certainly slaps. They're pissed when we lurk on the ultra attack. I hear about the talk on the social sites, what's this? One time when a man got caught, said, Walla, don't do it. You're killing a civil and pro said, I know him, I'm pissed.
He's some simple reasons and he's coulda Ramzo through him. Why did he hop in a ride? You know so do I that he ain't got a heart to do it. You can try run but these streets gonna catch up. You better pray your drip don't get ruined. I know some demons don't only speak splashing shooting. That language they're the most fluent. How many times the fag got stepped to get down? All the young kids and men will do it again and again and again. Don't try run and hop that counter. I'll find a kebab that you ain't. Those whole shoes if you are a pagan. Line that quick you'll definitely get wet free. Don't end up let a my sex.
I see all of them pussies running. Don't let me stare on a Mad Max stunning. Me and gang takes off enough blocks. Got 2 out of 3 left, one of them gushing. First one in the draw, no discussions. YB hop on the back with a Sutton. 7 man squashing the dinger. I was in the boot with my ZK clutching. First one in the draw, no lie. Or I stare at my RC hitters. Man's always been bombarding vicious. From a young age, we're tapping the triggers. So we lined up thingers. 4-5 kicks from the mother spinners. Lunchtime, rob my bait for the dinners. 9-8 chicks in the hood with the sinners.
Gets hot in my own ends crazy. I ain't saying my ends so shady. Start wavy, I'm paid up lately. And if you ain't paid, don't call me baby. Stay G'd up, wake up, don't daydream. Can't at me unless you're trying to on the back street with bro getting blazy. Packs up potions in a bag like hazy. I gotta get my P up, then spark a G up. Sharp woke up, stacking for the re-up. Loud on my system, but to OD up. When I right way, graft in, never feet up. Couple years wanna see open doors. AP set tryna open more. Talk more, what's mine is yours. And he said same way, bro. Of course.
Don't get caught in a sticky predicament. 2 wax made no move diligent. When the rhymes in my hip, put a whap in my hand like if this thing jams, I'm dipping. And those who died are far from innocent. 9 in my hand.